So I have a big commercial to cut. I'm going to do it on the 2017, and this is an announcer read on the 2017, so we're going to really hear this thing shine. Stick around.
From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
This is for the San Francisco Symphony. So let me just look at this script real quick. I won this audition on the 2017, so I'm pretty happy with that. I actually auditioned for it this morning, and I won it by today. And what was it, 4 or 5 hours later? So so the 2017 ended up being the right choice for this. And let's just cut the real spot here. All right, here we go. Now you take a look at it. Okay, so the thing with this spot is all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6, basically 6 sentences. And they don't flow together like a regular spot, so it's not like, it's about 6 different things that are happening this summer. So this is actually going to be a spot that's going to run, I think, all summer until like August. I think it's going to run from May 8th until through August. So this is a summer spot for the San Francisco Symphony. All right, so I'm not going to be able to do it in 30. I'm going to have to do it in chunks because the announcer voice requires a lot of air. So here we go. All right. Don't miss out on a thrilling concert lineup at summer with the San Francisco Symphony. Take in some of Tchaikovsky's biggest hits. Feel the power of Hans Zimmer's unforgettable film scores. Join actor Morgan Freeman for a symphonic blues experience. Watch movie magic come alive as How to Train Your Dragon is performed with a live orchestra. Experience the rush of live music this summer with the San Francisco Symphony. Tickets for these concerts and more at sfsymphony.org. All right, yeah, I like that read. So I will piece this together. I'm going to do like 3 or 4 more takes, but I just want to do that one. That's a pretty good first take, though. But I did read a sample, a version of this script that didn't have all of it, so I had an idea what they wanted. And so, and obviously, what I did was what they were looking for. So, so the 2017. I mean, what a great mic! Not just for the conversational stuff, and not just for like voice acting stuff, but I mean, really, yeah, for that announcery thing. And I do like the way this sounds for this, as opposed to the 416. I think the 416 is going to be a little bit too much in your face for this. You know, this is the San Francisco Symphony, right? You know, I like it. I really do. I like this sound a lot. I am really using the 2017 on so many different projects. I'm using it for like pretty much everything. I really like it a lot. And I have it going through the SPL Channel 1 Mark III. And yeah. So what do you think? Let me get back to this. I just wanted to do this real quick on camera so that you can really hear what this sounds like. You know, real job, big job. And this is how I use it. And it's great. So what do you think? What do you think of the 2017? I do. I really like this mic a lot. I honestly think that the 2017 is a mic you can do every type of voiceover with. And that makes it a rare bird because not every single mic that I have here, I would be willing to do everything on. Maybe the 87, but the other mics are great for what they do. But as a mic that's great on everything, the 2017 is like really, really just, shining very bright. So let me know what you think in the comments. I got to get back to it and cut like 2 or 3 more takes of this. So, all right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.